Subscribe IN News English YouTube channel to all the big news of the world. Christian Bale is set to play God the God Butcher in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, so who is the character and what's his backstory? The Marvel Comics villain will be the main villain in Thor: Love and Thunder, an MCU Phase 4 film directed by Taika Waititi. Given the magnitude of God the God Butcher's powers, along with Bale's prestige as a casting choice, fans are naturally hyped about the possibilities. In Thor: Love and Thunder, Chris Hemsworth will be joined once again by Jane Foster, Natalie Portman, who emerges as the Goddess of Thunder. Tessa Thompson will also reprise her role as Valkyrie, who is now ruling over New Asgard. Waititi and co-writer Jennifer Katine Robinson are taking inspiration from the mighty Thor comics, which suggests that Jane will battle cancer while also battling more cosmic enemies. The inclusion of Bale's God the God Butcher makes the storyline especially intriguing, as fans have been awaiting his official MCU introduction. Marvel's casting of Bale as God the God Butcher is huge. The actor has a strong worldwide fanbase among comic book enthusiasts after starring as Batman in Christopher Nolan's Dark Knight trilogy, and his name also carries weight from movies like American Psycho, The Machinist, and The Prestige. His accomplishments as an actor make him a worthy addition to the Thor series as the next villain the son of Odin must face off against. Here's what you need to know about God the God Butcher, and why the character is more than just a typical baddie. Created by Jason Aaron and Acid Ribbok, God the God Butcher first appeared in the January 2015 comic Thor: God of Thunder though. His origin story dates back 3,000 years to a grim planet where his people attempt to survive the harsh conditions and pray to the gods. When Gor's wife and children die, along with his mother, he experiences a crisis of faith and lashes out against the almighty protectors. Gor is chastised for his unorthodox beliefs and eventually plans revenge on the gods. So, when two of them suddenly appear in battle, he takes advantage of the opportunity by acquiring, or rather, bonding with a weapon called All Black the Necrosword. Gor murders his first god and then spends 2,000 years wreaking havoc across the cosmos. God the God Butcher eventually arrives on Earth where he encounters Thor and tortures him while seeking out information about Asgardians. The villain imprisons Shudrak, the god of bombs, and uses his intelligence to create Thay, God Bomb, an explosive the size of the moon that can kill every god in existence. God the God Butcher actually uses the device as a time-traveling machine, allowing him to confront a young Thor with his work before traveling to a dystopian future. Ultimately, 3 different versions of Thor square off against God the God Butcher, a storyline that is resolved in the comics while incorporating the villain's son, Agar.